Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today we got a really cool pool robot that we're going to be testing out in the pool. Now it's springtime. I just took the cover off the pool. I haven't cleaned it. I haven't even turned my pump on yet. And the pool is really dirty. This is probably the dirtiest my pool ever gets. This is going to be a good challenge for this robot. This is the iGarden K series. It's the K60. 60 meaning a 6-hour runtime. It's a battery-powered robot. It's got some great features to it. So we're going to get this out of the box. We're going to test it out, full review. We're going to go through. I'm going to show you my pool, how dirty it is. So we'll do kind of a before and after. So this is going to be a good challenge for this robot as it goes through, as it cleans the floor, the walls, and the water line. Okay, my pool's a fiberglass pool. It's about 39 feet long, 15 feet across, and then it's a V shape, so it's a shallow on both ends. I have staircases on both ends, this end here, so it's about 5.5 feet in the middle, and then it goes up shallower, 3.5 feet up here. So I got stairs there, stairs here, stairs there. So it's kind of a challenging shape, but I got a ton of leaves at the bottom, and let's see if you can get this here. There's a lot of really fine silt or very fine sand, and it's kind of all along the edges. Here's a shot from this end here. So just a lot of debris, a lot of dirt. It hasn't been cleaned in probably 5 months, and it's sat under a cover all winter. And it's actually a little cleaner than I was thinking, but just the sand, the dirt. So that filter basket is going to get really full. All right, let's get this unboxed here, see everything we get inside of the box. User manual. Here's our retrieval hook. We're going to put this on the end of our pool pole and be able to scoop it out of the water. Here's our charging cord, basically like a laptop charger, and this is going to plug into the robot itself. All right, just getting all the protective film off of this. Side here we have our exhaust port here. We've got, this is our charging plug here in the rear. Looks like it seals up really nicely with this rubber plug. Got these nice treads on the side. Let's look at the filter compartment. So there's just this handle here, and we just lift up, and there's our filter basket compartment, and it opens up right here. Looks like it has really good capacity to be able to hold a lot of dirt and debris. So the filter's really easy to get in and out. Here's our control panel on the front. Our on-off switch on the bottom is here. It's just a twist knob on and off. And then we have these two moving independent brushes in the front. And that's going to help it turn. And this powerful suction here is going to help it climb the walls, clean the water line, and scrub the floor and the walls of the pool. All right, I just got this plugged in. I plugged in the other end to the wall outlet. I plugged this in here. We're going to get this charged up to 100% so it's ready for cleaning. And then we're going to download the app while it's doing that. And then we'll be able to go through some of the settings and get this ready to put in the pool. All right, with this all the way charged up, we're going to go through all of our settings and functions right here on this control panel right here. This flashing button here, this is the on-off button. This is the power button, so you hold that when the screen is not on, it turns on. This is our timer button, so we can set a timer for 1 hour, 1.5, 2 hours, or when the lights are off like this, so that's 1, 1.5, 2, or all off. That means it's just going to run until the battery runs out. This is our turbo mode. We press and hold that. It's going to go on turbo mode. That means the cleaning is going to be a lot faster. If you need like a quick clean on the pool, you don't have 3 hours or 2 hours. If you want it just to clean as quickly as possible, that's going to be our turbo mode. This is the cleaning mode. And this is also the button we push to pair the app, and we'll get to that part. But we basically, with one light right here, that means it's just bottom only. 2, that means it's overall. So it's going to be water line, walls, and the floor. And then we have our battery meter here. This middle one on the bottom is the AI timer. With one light on, it means it'll clean once every 24 hours, 2 lights on once every 48 hours, and 3 lights on once every 72 hours. When the lights are off, the AI timer is off. So that's a neat feature with this, that we can leave it in the pool and it'll clean every day, every 2 days, every 3 days. And we'll be able to maximize the battery life of this. With the battery having 3 bars, that's 100% charged up, so we're good to go. So you want to search the App Store for the iGarden Robotics app. We're going to get that and download it and create an account. Okay, we have the app downloaded. We created the account. We're going to hold down this button here for 3 seconds. That's going to enable Wi-Fi mode. Okay, we then add our Wi-Fi information, and it's adding the pool cleaner. Pool cleaner successfully added. Similar controls that are on the touch panel for the robot. We can turn on and off turbo mode, the floor clean, overall clean, and then we can do the timer right here. in the AI mode. We can turn that on and off there. If you go up here to the top, you can go into the settings and you can check, do any updates. No updates are currently available, so we're good to go. Okay, this is 100% charged up. Didn't take very long to charge it up. It was mostly full when I got it. I'm just gonna hold the power button down. Now I wanna do no timer, no AI timer. I just want it to run for 3.5 hours, which is the full battery life when you're doing the full pull mode. So when it's going the wall, waterline, and the floor, we wanna run it through like a full cycle and see how well it does getting all this debris up here. Put it into the water. Once you select your cleaning mode, on the touch panel, you just push the flashing power button to start it, and then you'll just put it into the water. Once it gets to the bottom, it takes just a few minutes, and it'll start going. The iGarden K60 intelligently adapts to your pool's conditions for smoother movements and higher efficiency. It has a turbine-grade impeller and an optimized flow system and 3 brushless motors working together to convert high-powered circulation into true cleaning performance. The advanced 3D S-shaped path planning technology optimizes the cleaning routes in real time for comprehensive coverage for the floors, walls, and the waterline. Also, with its adaptive torque control, it powers through steps, slopes, and walls for precise cleaning and continuous operation in any terrain. It has an impressive 3-year protection warranty plan, offering full machine replacement for major failures and a 24/7 phone support line. The dual rubber brushes and anti-slip tracks ensure stable climbing and complete floor coverage while maintaining an average of 50% energy efficiency in standard mode. Alright guys, it's the next day here, and I left the robot in the pool overnight just because it was dark when it got done. And I'm just kind of taking a look here. I like that it comes to the side. When it runs out of batteries, it comes to the side so it's easy to retrieve. We'll get that out here in just a minute, but the pool looks really good. I didn't end up sweeping off my steps at all. I didn't do anything. I just put the robot in. It's probably 99% clean. There's probably a few things that got in overnight, but the bottom, it looks really good. I'm really impressed with how good the pool looks with just one cleaning. This was just one full cycle. Now I could just take this out of the pool right now, charge it back up, put it back in for a floor only, and then it would be perfect. So let's get this retrieved out and let's see how much debris we have inside of the filter basket. I want to see if any debris is falling back in. Doesn't look like it. All right, all the lights on the panel here have turned off because the battery has been exhausted. So we just lift up here. We're going to pull this out. Just a little bit of dirt. So when you get the hose out, you kind of just spray this area. This does not have a lot of debris in it, which is good. So it means it's all trapped into this basket here. This is a really easy basket to open up. And you can see all the debris that's picked up. It's picked up all the leaves, all of the big pieces of sand, dirt, bugs. I get all the leaves out by hand, get them into the garbage can, and then everything else here, we'll spray this out. Just getting it wiped off. I'm going to get it charged here in a minute. There's not a lot of maintenance to this. There is an impeller that you can clean out if it's like not climbing the walls as well or suction's not as good. You can clean out the impeller. But the charging cord here, we're just going to get this charged up. Charging port. Make sure that's kind of dried out. Now one thing I really like about this robot is this AI smart timer that it has. So this has up to a 6-hour runtime battery. Now that's if you're doing like this smart timer, the AI smart timer, which I really like. So for my situation, my pool's covered most of the time. I have like an auto cover that goes over the pool, and so my pool's always covered. So this can go into the pool and you can set a timer. You can have it run for like an hour once every 24 hours, for example, or you can do every 48 hours or every 72 hours. So you can have it in the pool for like a week at a time, and it will run on these different schedules. That's nice for me because I can just leave my cover on. Sometimes I don't use my pool for a week, and so if I have this in the pool and it's just running, once a day or once every 2 days, it's going to have enough battery life up to 6 hours to be able to be in the pool and clean the pool. That way when I take the cover off, the pool's clean, the robot's ready to take it out and ready to clean the filter. Guys, this did a great job cleaning my pool. I'm really impressed with how well it did. I really like just the ease of use. It charges up really easily, long battery life, great filtering capacity, strong motors. I really like the look of it too. It's got a great look to it. So if you're looking for a new robot, be sure to see the link to this down below. This is a great option. This is a great buy. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks.